Welcome to my home cooking video channel. Now I'm going to cook vegetable chopsticks my way. So first I'm going to steam some green beans. When I steam the green bean, I don't cover it because it color it off. Just few minutes, maybe 2-3 minutes. And after this I'm going to steam carrots and potatoes. So this green beans already cooked. I steam around 2 minutes because I'm going to cook again with the water. I'm going to take out the green beans now. I'm going to straight away add into the cold water. Now I'm going to steam my cabbage. I'm going to cover it. Maybe another minute or two. This is enough for cabbage. So I'm going to open the lid and see how it's cooked. Cabbage also partly cooked. I'm not going to cook 100%. I'm going only partly. I'm taking out. So now I'm going to add potatoes and carrots. Open the lid. You'll see whether this is still not enough. Need to cook around 75%. So I'm going to cook a little bit longer. I already cooked here for 2 minutes now. Going to cook maybe another 2 or 3 minutes. I'm going to open the lid and see whether carrot and potatoes cooked. Now this is enough. This is around 75% cooked. I'm going to take this out and start cooking. I'm going to use another pan. So I'm using the same water a little bit, around maybe half a cup. So I'm going to add the carrot and potatoes again, and my cabbage and green beans, and the leeks. So here I'm going to add a little bit, just around teaspoon of light soy sauce. And just half a teaspoon of garlic paste. This is how I make my vegetable chop. Maybe I need to add a little bit more water. This is hot water. I'm going to add salt now. Salt also always for your taste. I'm waiting until my water starts boiling to add the cornflakes. This is done after that. My water starts boiling now. I'm going to add pepper powder, half a teaspoon. Check the salt. Salt enough. So now I'm going to add my corn flour. I'm not going to add all at once. I'm just add few teaspoons. Add more. This is ready now. Thank you very much watching my home cooking videos, and if you like this cooking, please share with your cook and try to cook and share with your friends, and subscribe my channel to see more videos like this. Thank you very much.